do you eat?
No, I'm not. Hey, Shrek, can I get some more gravy from you?
You need another set of gravy?
Thank you. I need like Sandusky. Need some more boys on the basketball team.
Whoa.
Too soon? Too soon?
Too soon.
Nice.
A little too soon.
Nice.
A little too young.
Cougars. Too soon? Too young? Really? Are you?
How do you eat your chicken fried steak? Or Scott's food?
Huh?
He just ordered more.
Oh, this is
gravy.
mac
I'm
and
more
cheese.
gravy. That's my food.
He's waiting on gravy to show you how it's done.
So you gotta take the mashed potatoes, you put on top of the chicken fried steak, and you get gravy.
Then you order more gravy.
And then you order more gravy. And then when it comes to the end, this is the key and the touch. Tabasco. I don't know who invented this, but they're damn near geniuses.
Cholula, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Cholula.
Cholula is where it's at.
Tabasco's where it's
Racist
at.
motherfucker.
Oh my gosh. Cholula.
No, Tabasco.
No, Cholula, bro. Really?
That is where we differ.
And then the mac and
in our
cheese.
opinion.
That is where we
And this
differ.
craft is awesome. What's up, Chrome Foam? What's up, big dude? Chrome, dude. Hey,
And that's a wrap.
Hey, turn me your chew collar with the phone.